Tiwa Savage requested for bag. This bag they very expensive. Sometimes these our celebrities they very funny. So guys, watch out. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you know since today na your first time, you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, what you still dey wait for? Please hit that red subscribe button down there. Make you click that bell with the beside that so that you will be notified whenever I put a new video. Yeah guys, thank you very much and God bless you. So guys, today na two matter carry me come here about Regina Daniel and Tiwa Savage. So me I will talk about Regina Daniel first. So if you want to know what also like what's make me want to talk about Tiwa Savage, you gotta watch the video to the end. Understand? So today we want to look towards the list of the country where you be say Regina Daniel don't go during the time when don't get married to men who. So as we all know, our beautiful Regina Daniel, a very young and beautiful actress. She does start to the art and movie career like I always said from my childhood. So this actress is a very talented and beautiful actress. So suddenly she can't get married to one billionaire where they call Nen Nwoko. So that Nen Nwoko na Nigeria billionaire, na politician. So na nice man. When we say he gets 6 wives, Regina Daniel making her 6 wives. So we will look towards the list of the country where she don't carry, when he don't carry Regina Daniel go, when Regina Daniel to see her. According to Regina Daniel, the way he see the man, then he say he see the man for village, then the village. You see the man, so the man look like farmer. You understand? You know, say this our billionaires, most billionaires, they always discuss like they want really to see a true lady, you know, true man, a woman where you say love them for who they be. You understand? You know, say most of all these billionaires, they don't see a lot of things for women hands. You know, a lot of women don't use their money, they don't use them, they don't do all sorts of things. So some of them want to say no, I go like discuss as a poor person to find my own future wife, to find the woman of the love of my life. So this man discuss like that. So a lot of people, a lot of billionaires, they really discuss like poor person. Like person will not get future, person will not get home, they be homeless person, they don't do it, they don't get anything. You know, say most of all these billionaires, when they say girls, they will date them, they will just like them, they date them because of their money. Do you understand? Because of their money, because of their weight, they just want like go in there like Roger everything. You understand? So most of all these billionaires just say girls not they stay with them now because of their money where they want eat, where they go. That's why they like to follow them, they stay. So most of these people though, most of all these billionaires will come like discuss as one of them, as one of those poor people, like say they don't get anything, they don't get anything, they be homeless person to like get their true love. So and so Regina Daniel stay explain. So today, one of the list of the country she don't attend. My number one list I get for you guys now Dubai. So as we all know, Dubai na Arab country. So a lot of our African people don't still go Dubai. A lot of African people don't still go there. So she still don't go Burkina Faso. So Burkina Faso, I can't really say I know Burkina Faso. I don't really know Burkina Faso like that. But Burkina Faso, if you know like with the language, because to me it's like they speak French. I don't understand, I don't know. But if you know the language where they speak, you feel free to comment down in the comment section below. So she does still go Germany. As we all know, if you live in Germany, you live in European country, you will know say Germany now West European country. Now one of the biggest European country. So she does still go Germany, she does still go Paris. Paris now the most major European country. And one of the biggest European countries. She just go South Africa, she don't go Ghana, so Ghana as well, Ghana Africa country. So she do this one at the list of the country I know say Regina Daniel don't go. Since when she know name no go. See all these our beautiful actresses, they love flexing, they love to like travel out to different countries. Not be say she never maybe she never travel out to countries even when she never married, but she never go to this extent of all these countries I just mentioned now. She never go all those countries. So that is all for that. And I am so happy once again for Regina Daniel, for the baby, for her newborn baby. This one her first baby. And this baby will give you good luck, everything what you desire. Because this girl was so happy to have this baby. So I am really happy for her. And I pray the good luck will keep the baby safe for you. And so one get right into Tiwa Savage matter. So Tiwa Savage requested for bag wey dey very very expensive. Most of this time, these our celebrities, they very funny. Why me talk so be say this Tiwa Savage suit wey they requested for this expensive bag. This name of this bag now they call Birkin bag. Yes, Birkin bag. Tiwa Savage, as in, she just I will play the video. She requests for the most expensive bag in the whole world, because why she requested for this bag? According to her, is it she requested for flowers? You understand? She just come and do video for Instagram and all. She say she needs flowers, and a good Samaritan brought the flower, put them for her doorstep. So she can say, if person feel when she come and say she talk say she need flower, person come and say buy the flower, give her. That means this person go fit buy her bag. Person go fit buy her this thing when she wants. According to this singer, he said now the most expensive bag that she wants because she not fashionista. You understand? She don't want for below the parking or the packing order in the world of fashion. You understand? She don't want below the packing. You want package and because you want package her fashion very well because she not fashionista, she not fashion, she like fashions a lot. Say all these our celebrities they like fashion, they love to they like different type of hairstyle, different type of car, different type of bag, different type of everything. So for this Tiwa Savage, so for the comments, I will still put the comment there. The comments they can't attack her. Most people attack and say, you this Tiwa Savage, how you go to bless someone celebrity like you understand? And most of them say, now so you dey very greedy, you dey very stingy. How can you come outside to be saying to be asking for something you cannot even afford for yourself? Something maybe say if you still afford buy when if you still buy for yourself. You come outside because they talk say you want this kind of bag, big bag at that, very expensive bag. You can't say you want come buy that bag. So although some people see comment, so some people see attack them, say those people see attack Tiwa. Some people see attack and say, why you go to talk like that? You understand? So you don't talk like that. Like me, what do you see concerning this thing? But to me, according to this Tiwa Savage, she answered this bag and all this stuff. Say most of the time, like I said before, all these our celebrities they very funny. Most of the times they'll come and say they don't know what they just want to they just video themselves talk. Something will be provoke you is down there even make you laugh. You understand? To me, I don't see this one as provoke. I see her as very funny something. You understand? She's having fun. Because if you play the video now, you even see the way she was even talking. Even at the end of the video, you see the way she was even doing. It's like a funny something. To me, the thing is very funny. She just it's like a fun. You understand? It's like a fun because she can afford it. Understand? She could feel afford such bag to herself. Now celebrities now, singer for that matter, she still the arts. So now still actress and she will feel like afford such thing to herself. You understand? She will feel afford such bag for herself. She know say nobody will feel like nobody will feel better bag. Maybe people will not be celebrity, people will see they manage. You won't come outside do that kind of video. You expect say people with the manage to feel better back for her. No now. She know say people no go feel better kind back for her. You understand? So she just like now for to me na form of fun. Na form of fun, a very funny something. She just like one just stick doing like form of fun to herself. You understand? To me, I don't see anything for there. I don't see anything for there. And even as that, person they will go fit still afford them. You understand? Person still dey a real billionaire wey be say as in they know themselves, you understand? You go fit still afford the bag for her. You understand? But this one she just like do the video to like viewers where they watch any of the viewers where go fit afford the bag. But most of them really attack her. You understand? They really like insult her, saying she's so greedy, she's so stingy. How can you be saying such thing? I thought you were all these celebrities. I thought you guys have heart and all those things. I thought, it is somehow really. As in to me, I know everybody's mentality is different. Everybody's mentality is different. A lot of people don't, as in, not be the way me they think, not be so they think, not be the way the other one they think, not be so the other one they think. So, to me, now very like, she like, now like front to me. You understand? Now like front to me, now very funny something. She just want like want fun of herself because she knows that she will feel afford such thing. You understand? So she knows that she will feel afford such thing. So now so I'm not saying so as I look at before people, everybody not be saying a lot of people get their mentality. So most people go angry for that kind of thing. They also say a person don't buy flower. At the end of the day, you see they come and say you see need bag. Because you see will buy flower. Flower not be expensive. Because say she just see her person buy her something that is not be expensive. Make she still try like you will see person you see buy her something that be expensive. Now celebrities she still feel afford that for herself. She is just like a fun. To me, I don't know what you think about this video. What do you think about this video? Let's see your comment down in the comment section below. Please do not forget to subscribe if today is your first time. Like this video and see you up in my next video. Bye.
So the other day, what was really nice was that I made a post and I was like, how come I don't get flowers and gifts and stuff? And literally the next day I got flowers. So sweet. So I was thinking since that worked, why don't I just put this out there? Because what I also like are bags, specifically Birkin bags. I like Kelly's. So it would be nice to get those too. It would be really,